take, so I apologize if there's a lot of, and hiccups, but just roll with it. So this is the shoe rack that I have. Most of my shoes are here, so unfortunately, if you're a guest, your shoes are gonna go on the ground because mine belong on the rack. Have some keys, so these are just, a lot of my mask that I have. I also have some medals, constellation medals, just because of, running events to show that you participate. My keys as well. Moving over into the kitchen area. So, we got a standard refrigerator, nothing special there. Have air fryer, the thing that boils your water for tea and stuff. Some pots. What's this thing called? Instapot? Yeah, Instapot. We got some cutting boards. Also have some knives as well, spice rack. Let's move on over to the rest of what's on this table. So we have an iPad 8, iPad Pro 12.9 inch, stuff wrapped in dbrand. So we got the dbrand pencil skin, and then we have the Icons black silicone. We have fruit basket. We have the Amazon Echo right there. So this was actually where I shot my very first video, or actually a couple of my videos were shot in this corner here. It's pretty much just retrofitted for my Hackintosh that I have here. Pretty much just trying to offload the data into the cloud and whatnot. So, because this machine is getting retired since the M1 processor is just so good. This is rocking a R9 3900X. So, I also have this canvas piece up here. The reason why I bought this, I've had this for like a year now, is because it reminds me of a piece that we have at home. I think it was, the artist's name is Marion Greenwood. She has a piece similar to this. It just reminds me of it, so that's why I have it. So moving over here, this is where the magic happens. So yeah, this is where like 95% of my videos get shot. So people ask me what I'm watching on Netflix. Let's see here. So I'm watching Night Stalker and then Hotel Cecil because my sisters just love watching what's it called, crime shows, and they just got me hooked on it. But anyway, one thing I want to mention, AirPod Maxes. These things are amazing if you have them hooked to your Apple TV, because you can just walk around your apartment and continue listening to what's going on. But 95% of the stuff happens here. So when you watch my reviews, or I should say my earlier videos, you can see that this is what it looked like, right? And I'm standing like right here. Yep. So this is not a standing desk, unfortunately. So what I did was I just bought some 2 storage bins for I think like $3 or $4 at Target, propped them up so the table's raised. But when it's not raised and the TV is more in view of what you guys see, I'm just kneeling on this yoga mat, or it's pushed up against this couch. So one of the problems with this place, at least the thing that I've noticed, is when I'm recording, actually it's just my awkwardness that I have. So when you pan to the left, in my peripheral vision, the parking garage is there and there's people across that can see me. And then because of COVID, people have decided to exercise up here and they can see me record, because I record during lunchtime most of the time. And it's just so awkward recording videos. So that's another reason why I'm leaving. Another piece up here. Can we get some Apple wallpapers, please? Thank you. Let me go to the bathroom. Oh, before I go to the bathroom. So this is the ironing board that I used in order to get my overhead shots back in the day. I would just stack boxes on top of one another, and then I'd stick a pole in between them, and I had like a weight to make sure the pole doesn't, I guess, like fly out. So yeah, those were good days. I think I had a photo of that, but yeah, those were the good days. So moving on into the bathroom, we have a scale. You should weigh yourself like once a week. This has nothing to do with the apartment tour, but I need to talk about robes. If you do not own a robe, trust me, they will be one of the greatest investments of your life. Get a robe that can dry you off, and then get the robe that you can wear throughout the entire day. It's best investment. I really only just wear this one. Also, you feel like a boss when you're wearing a robe. Next is the, I guess, bathroom sink. Also have Charles Schwab magazine, so if you're in my apartment, you want to educate yourself on finances, go ahead, take the magazine. So these are just, I guess, some of the things that I have on my kitchen sink. Come on, man. The bathroom sink. Yeah, nothing special here. We got the walk-in closet. I have way too much stuff. Let me turn on the light. I have way too much stuff in here. What I mean in here, I mean, it's just this entire left side. I don't wear all these clothes. Like I said in my very first videos, I have too much clothes. But to be honest, I lied. I wear like every single one of these shirts. I'm probably going to donate like 50% of this stuff because I don't really need it that much anymore, and I just need to purge the stuff that I have from college. But yeah, let's continue into the bedroom. Herman Miller chair, by the way. I'll explain that in a second. So in this corner here, we have pretty much my watch stuff. This is nothing special. I picked it up at Sears. My Sears is closing. They're liquidating. This is so hard to do with one hand. They're liquidating, so like everything was like 75% off, but the jewelry was like, I think 50%. I just broke this. Anyway, so this is the watch that I picked up. Super nice. I love it. I know it's nothing special. It's not a Rolex, but I love it. I think I just broke this just now, so we'll leave that there. These are some solo loop watch bands that I have. The one on the right is official by Apple, or came with the watch, I should say. And then these two on the left are, you know, counterfeit, fake, whatever you want to call it. But trust me, I've worn all three of them. They feel identical. But, you know, if you want to pay Apple that extra $40, be my guest. But from now on, I'm just going to go buy the, I guess you can say fake ones on Amazon. They're pretty much exactly the same. I have a link down in the description below if you're interested. Plus, they have way more colors. And the black is actually black Apple. Jeez, this is like navy blue. Sorry, I'm getting mad. But this is stuff I got from Mexico for when I went there for a wedding. Next up, this is usually not here. I only have this because of I'm trying to keep my room humid for when I sleep for my eyes. LASIK, keep the air moist so my eyes don't get dry. Sierra. Oh, let me explain this. So Sierra is under the umbrella of TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. Yeah. So this store, if you enjoy working out or doing any type of outdoor activity, this is the store for you. So this is $42. Apparently it's $42. Oh my God, I don't know who would pay that. But this, I picked it up for $10. And this is the greatest athletic shirt that has ever graced my skin. I'm telling you. Sierra. Great store. Some boxing gloves. Anyway, I have this, I guess, laundry bin basket. I have this poster by Logic, my boy Bobby. I don't really know where to put this, but it's signed by him. Thanks, Bobby. Also have, I forgot to talk about the plaque over here. I'll probably just zoom in. I'm only here until I win the lottery. Yeah, it's probably never gonna happen. But I also have this as well, Hakuna Matata. I found this at a store, picked it up, swiped it because Lion King is one of my favorite movies. Hakuna Matata. To this day, the original. Don't talk to me about the real life one. Have a picture of my dog, RIP. Have a lamp, another Echo. I have an Echo over there for the dual sound system inside my room. Love listening to music. But yeah, also have this Zen thing that I got for my birthday. Really just calms the room or the ambiance. Pretty much matches the canvas up here. Also have a window that people can see me through, so people can probably see me recording. A little bit awkward. Have my chair that I got from Herman Miller. Not from Herman Miller. I got it from Facebook Marketplace. The reason why I bought this chair was because of, what's the YouTuber's name? Honesty. His video was just surging through the recommendations, and I decided to pick it up for like $200. So thank you for teaching me how to pick this up for cheap in the area. Really do appreciate it. It's my baby. This is my fully standing desk. One of the few reasons I have this desk is because of the YouTuber Mayuko, and then I just saw some other people talk about the benefits of a standing desk, so really do appreciate the recommendation as well. Get this out the way. This is just it's a kitchen mat for standing. So what do I talk about? First, let's talk about Meet Kevin. This guy is grinding. This guy, you got to watch him in the morning. The way he breaks down stuff is amazing. But anyway, this is just some LASIK stuff that I have. Speakers, fake plants, lamp, Oh, the posters. Let me talk about the poster. So I've had this poster since college. All these posters since college. So this was the first poster I ever got. Love it. Keeps with the Zen vibe. We got Bruce Lee on the left. We got Dalai Lama on the right. All these instructions for life, factual statements. But yeah, I'm still rocking the iPhone 10. It's still a fantastic device. Got some journals. You got to journal every day. Not every day, but you should at least journal once a week. I don't know how to open mail, so I have a mail opener. I have an Apple Card thing. I still haven't taken this out, man. This is, guys, it's a dumb card. Don't get it. But this is my setup. 4K monitor hooked up to my MacBook Pro, which is connected to, not MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, which is connected to my Thunderbolt 3 dock. I don't know why I have 3 lip balms. I got this for Christmas, some lotion, keep your hands moist, because my hands do get ashy from time to time. I do have sunglasses, at least for the time being, because it really does hurt looking at the monitor. My MX keys, the MX Master 3. And yeah, that's not gonna stand crazy. Yeah, that's my stand-up. Not stand-up. This is my... Dude, I don't know how to do an outro without reviewing a product. This is my YouTube apartment tour. People can probably hear me talking. Anyway, this video's gone on long enough. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll also have a link to the braided solo loop as well. This was like 10 bucks because, you know, I'm not paying Apple $100 for this. Feels exactly the same. Probably eat into their margins, but not my problem. But yeah, that is my apartment tour. Last thing I want to mention, guys, rechargeable batteries save the planet. But that is the YouTube studio tour, where the magic happens. I really do appreciate the 20,000 subscribers that have made me come this far in the past year. I am horrible at giving speeches, but honestly, I just want to say thank you. And now we are leveling up in life together. So other 20K special video will be coming out soon. And as always, guys, I appreciate every sub, like, and comment. Much love.